In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality K1 3D Printer. The Comgrow 3D printer by Creality, made of aluminum, boasts impressive specifications. With dimensions of 12 inches in diameter, 12 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, and weighing 27.55 pounds, it is designed for compatibility with laptops. This printer offers high printing efficiency, with speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm², making it 12 times faster than typical FDM 3D printers. It delivers high-quality printing with a maximum flow of 32 mm³ and a ceramic heater that heats up to 200 in just 40 seconds, with a maximum temperature of 300. The auto-leveling feature, facilitated by a strain sensor in the heat bed, ensures precise leveling without manual intervention. The dual-gear extruder enables smooth filament feeding, supporting various filaments including flexible ones like TPU. The printer's upgraded design includes a smart G sensor to reduce ringing during high-speed printing, accurate Z-axis positioning to minimize Z-banding, and dual fans for effective model cooling. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars for Macs. The ELEGOO Mars for Macs is a resin 3D printer featuring a 9.1-inch 6K mono LCD screen with high resolution and printing speed. It utilizes a COB plus refractive light source for uniform light distribution, resulting in detailed and realistic prints. With a large build volume, efficient heat dissipation system, and voxeled and Tango software offering multiple printing modes, this printer provides ample creative space, reliable performance, and enhanced printing efficiency for users. The product dimensions are 12.99-inch dx 13.78, wx 24.41 h, with an item weight of 22 pounds. Number 3. Mini 3D Printers Tina 2. The nTina 3D printer is a beginner-friendly, fully assembled device designed for easy and speedy printing. It features auto-leveling and a magnetic platform, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and allowing for easy model removal. With dual Z-axis rails, the printer ensures high precision and stable printing, making it ideal for DIY crafts. Its compact and lightweight design makes it suitable for various settings, including homes, classrooms, and offices. Equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and Weebulider slicer software, the printer supports offline printing using a microSD card and can resume printing after power outages. Additionally, it offers a worry-free after-sales service, including a 30-day return policy, 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical support, making it a perfect gift for beginners and children. Number 4. Snapmaker A3 50T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 3-in-1 A350T is a cutting-edge modular machine designed to unleash your creativity in 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving. Made from metal and colored in sleek black, this innovative device boasts a large build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing for the creation of large-scale prototypes without the need for splitting files. Its CAN bus technology enables a modular design, facilitating easy assembly and component changes. With a high precision of 0.005 mm and an all-metal body, the A350T ensures top-notch performance and safety across various functions. The Snapmaker Luban software, equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen, offers features like power loss recovery, open-source code, multi-object processing, and customized profiles. Compatible with multiple operating systems, this machine provides a seamless user experience via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, or USB cable. Snapmaker also offers a 1-year warranty and additional services to support customers in quickly getting started with their creative projects. Number 5. Geeetech Miser M. The Gentam 3D printer model, GCH Miser M, offers unique multicolor and mixed color printing capabilities, allowing users to create models in multiple colors and gradients. With features like 3D touch auto leveling and a 32-bit TMC2208 silent board, the printer ensures precise and quiet operation. The double Z-axis screws and all-metal body structure contribute to improved printing accuracy and stability. Compatible with filament sizes of 1.75mm PLA, ABS, PETG, this printer undergoes strict testing before shipment and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring a reliable and supported printing experience for users.